Hello and welcome to Danish Pronunciation for Beginners. My name is Alan, and this is video number 2 in a row that I'm making for people who are just beginning to learn, starting to learn Danish. So this dialogue pays special attention to words I marked with blue. Those are words that particularly differs between writing and the pronunciation. The pronunciation focus of this video is the letter combination H, V, H, V. In this particular combination, the H is always silent. And it goes for a lot of these question words that we use in Danish. Hvornår, hvad, hvem, hvor, or hvordan. Also note how I'm pronouncing the two words here, sammm, og hvad med. Mikkel og Ida er på date på en café. Hvor bor du henne? Jeg bor på Vesterbro. Hvad med dig? Hvor bor du? Jeg bor sammen med min bror i Herlev. Nå, er det hyggeligt? Ja, det synes jeg. Hvor bor du henne? And here, henne is it's something we use a lot when we talk. Henne means the location. It's a location adverb, more or less. It's difficult because it doesn't really have an equivalent in Danish or in English. Jeg bor på Vesterbro. Hvad med dig? Hvor bor du? Jeg bor sammen med min bror i Herlev. Nå, er det hyggeligt? And hyggeligt, I think most people know that word. Cozy, is it cozy? Is it nice? Ja, det synes jeg. Det synes jeg. Yes, I think so.